What is going on, everyone? Today we've got Romain in Torv's GTR. We're going to be testing some launch control, so let's see what happens. Good morning, it's Friday. Man United did beat Barcelona, get in. So I had to go yesterday because it was my son's football, so I didn't get a chance to see my Lambo and the dyno, but I haven't seen the footage, but Haggie's been filming here. We managed to get over 1900 horsepower on the Lambo flywheel. I think it was 1920, I believe. Romain's turned it down a little bit, so it's over 1800 horsepower flywheel. Not quite the 2000 horsepower I was hoping for. The turbos are sort of out of efficiency. The good news is that the turbos are very streetable. It's a very user-friendly setup. It's going to be a very, very fast car. It's got a built engine, built box. Last night I was in two minds. Do I just take the turbos off and put some bigger ones on? But I think, since I haven't used the car for a good 2-3 years, 1800 horsepower is going to be bonkers on that car. I'm just going to keep it as it is for now. The car's done. I can give it a good shakedown. I can enjoy the car. I can test it. I can dial it in. If there's any gremlins, the gremlins are going to show up. And if everything goes to plan and I do need any more power, the engine is built, the car's designed to take more. I can then just take the turbos off and put some 68mm turbos and go the 2000 if you like. But 2000, it's just bonkers when you like. I get disappointed when I've got 1800, 1900 horsepower. It's just mind blowing. Me and Romain were chatting last night after work, and I think we just got to be sensible. I think 1800 horsepower plus is more than enough. The car's, I had the car at 1000. It's now got 800 more, and I'm kind of like, oh shit, I want 2000. And last night I almost was going to come in this morning and say to the boys, right, take the turbos off, let's fabricate some other ones. Ben was going to do that for us, but I've decided against it. I'm just going to enjoy the car, shake it down, test it, and then in the summer, if I wanted more power, I can literally just swap turbos out, and that's it. So that is a story on my Lambo. I'm looking forward to see what Haggie's filmed, because obviously I wasn't there last night, and obviously I'll watch this on YouTube like you are.
I do apologise.
Hamid's Tango, obviously we need to have a look at the fuel system to see what's going on with the fuel pump. Haggie's just said that he apologises for the content. I'm sure it's good. I've got faith in Haggie. We believe in Haggie, don't we, Haggie? I do.
I think out of 10 it's probably could be
an 8.
Oh, maybe 5.
Come on, don't doubt yourself. Anyway, let's see what you think. So yeah, I'm going to go and do a little bit of a workshop update. Romain's here as well today. We've got quite a lot of cars leaving today. We've got about 5 or 6 GTRs leaving today, getting picked up by customers. So yeah, let's go and check the workshop and see what's going on a Friday. So this morning we've got DJ coming to pick up his car. We're doing a build box. We've got Daniel's GTR leaving as well. We've got Paul Squire's GTR leaving as well. I just had a built engine. So yeah, it's all go. And then tomorrow we got White 34 GTT leaving. Let me just check that. Is it because I'm going too fast? Got this little hybrid Toyota. Is it a Toyota? Have I got it right? Yes, little Toyota leaving as well. That's getting prepped up. So there's a few cars leaving. Tomorrow I'm away to London with my little boy. One of my friends is fighting, and obviously the Man United game's on. I couldn't get any tickets, so I've got some other business to take care of in London as well. So yeah, let's go and have a quick zoom of the Lambo as well, just outside. I'm going to try and turn this over. So all we've got to do now is build this up and I can enjoy it. So in the workshop today, we've got Ben working on the 32. We've got a car that Chris loves, Maserati, in for some service work and a couple of diagnostic bits. In the dyno today, we've got, let me just kick that out of the way, Ali's RB30 GTR that we've been doing some work on. It's not a GM built, but you know, we've added some bits on it for him. So we're hoping for 700 horsepower on this flywheel. So hopefully it makes that. Let's do the workshop, a quick update, see what's going on there. Morgan's car is done. Scotty's put that back together, fixed the coolant leak. This is then going to get fully detailed and then put up for sale, or Morgan's going to keep it. He doesn't know what to do. It's one of them decisions when you got a car with this kind of power. It's like you regret when you sell it as well, but obviously there can be high maintenance as well. We've got the chaser in. Scotty's just finishing the chaser off, and then Dean is having a look at Hammett's system to see what's going on with the fuel system. So he's going to jump on that quickly this morning just to see if we need a new pump or something, or one of the controllers has died. So he's going to check that out. And then Kyle today is fitting Warren's gearbox. Is that right, Kyle? Yeah, so he is doing Warren's box. We've got his new DSS shafts.
Shafts are in.
Fully installed. So that's what Kyle's doing today. He's going to get that box buttoned up, and then he's going to go back onto the Russian car and work on the engine. So he's working between the two cars at the minute. So that's really it for the workshop updates. There's not much going else on. I think Scotty's got a BMW that he's got to finish on later on, and then he's working on an R32 GTR. But yeah, I'm going to go back to the office and I'm going to let the boys crack on. So, that's Ali's RB30. I think it made 580. Don't know if you can hear us. But I'll come back anyway when it's quieter. So, Hammett's car, we managed to take the fuel system out. I've got one of my friends, Stephen Smith. He's got a GM 1300R GTR that runs a, is it a 9.0?
Yeah,
9.0. So I'm going to show you what's wrong with Hammett's pump. So I'm not sure if you can listen to that.
It's not right, like, is it? Definitely not.
Yeah. So it's faulty. We've got to send it back. So nice, simple fix, but just shows you how much stuff can go wrong, even if it's brand new. So yeah, so that is what's happened to Hammett's car. So we need to get that pump sorted, and then we've got to get it back on the dyno. Customer wants flames. We've got to give him some flames. Let's go back and try again. Folks, that is all for Friday. We've got a customer that wants to burn his car down on the dyno. He's demanding the biggest flames. Dean, what do you think about that?
But the flames?
The flames.
Very excessive.
Yeah, and what was the story? So Paul's car, we can't tune it because it's got a TCM.
We're having issues with the transmission control module. We're trying to put a stage 4 map on it, but because it's previously been mapped, it's clashing with the software. So
So there you go. So Paul, you're going to have to wait a little bit longer, mate, for your car. So that's all for Friday. Hope you all have a great weekend. So that is all for today, guys. I hope you like the videos we're doing. Don't forget to subscribe, like the channel, share, comment, good, bad. Okay.